Hey guys, you don't need to break the bank before you could access paid Udemy courses for free. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get access to paid courses on Udemy for free. Follow through. So guys, I'll be showing you two methods. The first method is using couponscorpion.com. So you just search for the course of your choice from here. So I'm going to be using Facebook ads. So you press on the search button. Now I have a lot of Facebook ad video here. This was uploaded on April 6th. That's today. So just click on this. And so let's search for this course exactly on Udemy. Let's check the amount. You can see the exact video. The price is 15,900. But we'll be getting it for free now. So all I have to do is just come down here, click on get coupon code. So it's going to load. You can see what you will learn from the course. So just click on enroll now. And see discount of 17,900 naira. So total is 0 naira. So we have the course already. So my learning, you can see the course there. Via Facebook Ads Pro. So the second method is using discudemy.com. That's discoverudemy.com. So can select the language from here first. My language English. Then I search. So we check and what we want. So we're choosing that. So just come here. You click on take course. So you can click on the course coupon. Then you click on enroll now. So you have the course already. So thank you.